My DMs have been going crazy. That can mean only one thing. It's a drone light show which is unbelievable and unrealistic, but is it real? Well, we're going to talk about this show which supposedly has 10,197 drones, and this is only the beginning. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. Yeah, this is quite an incredible story. In Shenzhen in China, a company called Damoda, they have done a drone light show a few days ago with 10,197 drones. Unbelievable. And yes, it is incredible. It's absolutely stunning. I cannot think the amount of work that went into this, and they must have had a few hundred people out there helping with all the batteries and whatnot. But this is only the beginning. So this week, as of tomorrow, the 1st of October 2024, there will be a festival in China to do with the skyline, and they want to have a big drone light show festival. And the two companies involved apparently are Damoda, who have just done this one with over 10,000 drones, and then Hygrate, who just had the record a few weeks ago with over 8,000 drones. So those two companies are apparently going to be pitching against each other. I'm not sure if there are other companies involved, but I know that those two are going to be very much involved. So I think that what we've seen with this stunning display is only the beginning, and I think it's going to get a lot better. So if you happen to be in Shenzhen in China, make sure you go out around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock at night, find out where this is. I'll leave a link to a website which tells you where you can go. There is a couple of places that you can go and watch these. I wish I was there. I think it would be incredible to go and see. But yeah, I actually have someone who is there, and I was chatting with him today, just asking, was this real or is this fake? And no, apparently yes, it was real. It really was, and we can see from the video, you can see people there, and you can see cars and whatnot. Yes, this was very real, and the festival is going to happen from tomorrow, and I shall get some video and I'll get some images on that, and maybe I'll do another video to see how this will end up, because I think that this is going to get even better. It really, really is. So yes, real, over 10,000 drones, incredible, and it is only going to get better, and it really comes from China, really, doesn't it? Because it's quite difficult for us to compete against that because of the regulations and whatnot. Now, they have regulations in China, of course, but when it comes to these kind of displays, and it's very important for the Chinese culture in terms of the imagery and whatnot as well. But this is how it is, and of course, I think it will eventually bleed into the West, where we'll have that with your Sky Elements and your Dronisos and your and Sky Magics and stuff like that as well. So that will be the norm at some point. But listen, what do you think? Do you think this is going to be a game-changing week for drone light shows? I think it personally will be. Leave your comments below, and I'll do another video when this is all over. I can't wait to see it, and we'll see you on the next video. Fly safe.